Hi everyone and welcome back to God of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert case letter from small to capital. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser and you have to type convertcase.net and wait for the website to load. Now here you can see that different type of case letters. So first you have to enter your text. So write your text. So I am also writing the same title of the video in the text, how to convert case letter from small to capital. Now here you will see different type of case letters such as lowercase, uppercase, capitalized case and inverse case and title case that is mostly used in the different videos. So you can use the different cases according to your need and you can also download it. You click on clear and the text will be cleared. You can also see that the file has been downloaded. So that was the quick tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.